Good day everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the indirect function in Excel. So the indirect function allows you to be able to create a cell referencing from text. So normally if I want to reference to another cell that's inside a blank cell, now I want to reference to another cell in Excel, I can actually use the referencing direct. Like for example, now I want to reference F5. I'm just going to type equals to F5. So I'm going to get the value of F5. But the indirect function also allows you to pass in a text, and it will convert that text to a referencing. So this is how the function goes. I'm going to be typing equals to, then indirect. Then after indirect, you can now see it is giving me the option to pass my reference text, which I'm not going to be passing now. So I'm going to be passing F5 as my reference text. So when I click enter, you can see I'm going to be having 34. So this is just what the indirect function allows you to do. It allows you to pass a text, and that text will now be converted into a referencing. So you can also perform complicated operations also with the indirect function. Imagine now I want to sum this range. So I want to sum this range now, which you are looking at F5 to F8. So I can just say sum. I just have sum. You can see I have sum. I can now say indirect. So I can say indirect, then I can now say my F5 to F8. Okay, so I haven't closed the other parentheses, F5 to F8. So you can see I'm having 180. So you can see I've used the indirect function inside the sum function, which is also equivalent to just typing equals to sum, then just highlight this and enter. So you can see that we're having the same. Let me on my formula bar. So you can see we're having the same functions, the same answer but different function. So in this place we use indirect, and in this place we use sum. We can also perform another complicated. We can also create another complicated function. Let's just say I want to. I can just say indirect. So indirect now. I'm now going to be referencing F, column F, you can see it, and concatenate it with my row value. So column F, under column F is going to be intersecting with my row, so which means we'll be getting a value of 23. Then close the brackets, so you can see that we're having 23. So this is how you can use the indirect function. I just want you to know that, okay, we have a function called the indirect, and you can also use that indirect function to pass a text into it and convert that text into a referencing.